Well, greetings, Caroline. Look, we're here down at the pond.
Yeah, it's a lovely pond. That's my favourite, actually, this one.
A little bit of rain, and we've got the wildflowers around there. It's quite amazing, really, to see how much nature has moved in. And talking of nature, we sort of move around. We've got, can you see, our pond?
Yeah.
And we saw baby chicks. We saw little moorhens in there.
I know, it's amazing. I love it because we got water lilies. Actually, I think I can see some flowers. They are closed up, but
Yeah.
I think, do they open regularly or they are going to open later?
Oh, they're open up when the sun comes out,
Yeah.
lilies. But look
I
at,
love these. What do you call these?
oh, we've got bulrushes, yeah.
Oh, I really, really like that.
Yeah, so it's pretty amazing to see this area developing, and I can see
Yeah.
this. We're going to bring a bench down here, aren't we?
Yeah, we wanted a bench so we can probably vlog here or something like that. And just, when we find 5 minutes, have 5 minute rest on the bench
5 minutes,
by,
yeah.
by the pond.
That's not going to happen, is it?
Yeah, wow.
But yeah, it's a lovely area we've created here. So we've got this wonderful area of nature here. We've got rain, we're going to get wet.
That's life, isn't it?
That's it. And talking about getting wet, you see that pond? Caroline, gonna go in there!
You're coming with me.
Oh dear, I'm in trouble.
Oh.